Hello everyone and welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to reach out to a creator for a business inquiry, collaboration, or sponsorship, finding their email address is the first step. Today, I will show you exactly how to find any YouTube channel's contact email in just a few clicks, using the updated layout for 2026. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to YouTube. In the search bar, type the name of the channel you want to contact and click on their profile to go to their main channel homepage. In the past, you would look for an About tab, but YouTube has updated this interface. Now, you need to look directly below the channel name and subscriber count. You will see a small arrow or text that says More next to a short snippet of their channel description. Click on that text. A window will pop up showing their full description and all of their linked social accounts. Scroll down to the bottom of this window to the section labeled More Info. If the creator has made their email public, you will see a button that says View Email Address. Click that button. YouTube will usually ask you to quickly complete a reCAPTCHA step to prove you are human. Once you submit that, the channel's business email address will be revealed. Simply highlight it, copy it, and you are ready to send your message. Keep in mind, if the View Email Address button is missing, it means the channel owner has not attached a business email to their account. If that happens, check if they have linked their X or Instagram accounts in that same pop-up window and try sending them a direct message there. And that is it. A simple and direct way to find a channel's email address. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.